A severe heatwave in Jammu and Kashmir's Udhampur district has triggered a series of forest fires, keeping authorities on high alert. The latest fire was reported in the Rang forest area on Ramnagar on Wednesday. Forest officials said rising temperatures and dry conditions have significantly increased the risk of wildfires across the region. According to Naresh Majotra, Divisional Forest Officer of Ramnagar, the Forest Department has recorded 21 fire incidents since the season's first blaze was reported on 22nd May. So far this season, there have been a total of 21 incidents ranging from minor to major, Majatra said. He said forest officials are working around the clock to contain the fire and prevent further damage. To strengthen monitoring and response efforts, the department has established 11 control rooms across different locations. Our entire forest staff remains deployed in the field. Teams are stationed even in areas where no fire is currently burning, Majatra said. He noted that unpredictable wind conditions have become one of the biggest challenges for firefighters. According to the DFO, several fires that had been brought under control flared up again due to shifting winds. And in 7 or 8 cases, we managed to control the fire, but changing wind condition made the situation difficult, he said. Majitra also warned about the danger of the incident, and he explained that even after flames are extinguished and pine cones or sparks can roll into nearby dry vegetation and start fresh fires. The forest department has intensified surveillance in vulnerable areas. Officials are closely monitoring forest zones and remain at high risk during the ongoing heatwave. Just 4 days earlier, another forest fire broke out in the Dabbar area near Flata village in Udhampur district. The incident prompted an immediate response from the forest officials. Range officer said teams were rushed to the site as soon as information about the blaze was received. Gupta said that surviving the firefighting operations and in the Trichy forest area before moving to the site. The Trichy fire has since been brought under control. Officials said efforts were made to prevent the flames from spreading to nearby forest compartments. The recent fires have raised concerns about the impact on wildlife and the fragile forest ecosystem. Large-scale forest fires can destroy vegetation, threaten animals' habitats, and damage the ecosystem. Following a heatwave advisory issued by the Meteorological Department, the Forest Department has appealed to residents to remain cautious. Authorities have urged people not to light fires near forested areas or discard burning materials in the open. Officials warned that even a small spark can trigger a major wildlife under current weather conditions. The department said public cooperation is crucial to preventing further incidents as the heatwave continues across the region. Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.